Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm sure you guys are all safe and healthy during this corona lockdown period and enjoying this time. In this video series, today I have come up with some of the tips to build and cultivate the new habits and to sustain the existing habits, uh, which you can use it for your repeatable activities against your planned goals. So let's check out. One of the tips which I wanted to talk today is about identifying an anchor, which you can use it to build the new habits or to sustain an existing habit. Just to give an example, space works for me as best anchor. I have a personal space at my home which I use it to do certain activities to meet my goals, like yoga, stretching, reading books, doing plank, etc. etc. So it depends upon you what works best for you. You have to identify a right anchor for you which you can leverage on to cultivate the habits. For few people, particular time works best. So they leverage the morning time or maybe the sleep just before the sleeping to read a book. So that works best for them. Another important thing which I wanted to talk is you can also leverage an existing habit. So for example, few people have a habit of daily walking, morning, evening walking, right? So they can use that particular walk time to build a new habit. So let's say you are struggling to read the books during a regular time, so you can utilize that time and maybe listen to an audio book and build a new habit of having the book reading or the book listening. So you have to find an anchor which works best for you. Another tip which I wanted to give you today is about creating an ecosystem, which is the very important part of your life to make sure that you cultivate a new habit and make sure it is sustainable, because that will give you a life to your habits. One of the ecosystem could be an external ecosystem, which is like a group of people which you may join to make sure that you are keep yourself motivated. Just to give you an example, I have an apartment where I have a group of people who love cycling. Actually, they do it every day, every week, and they keep posting their achievements. So, and let's say there is a person who joins that particular group, so he can actually leverage on that particular community or the group of people of cyclists. So that will keep him motivated, right? Another ecosystem is an internal ecosystem. It is like a check and balance around yourself. So I particularly use that a lot every day. Actually, I have a diary which I utilize it to do a self check on the daily basis against my goals, against my mental health, against my physical health, against my relationships, etc. etc. So it is very important part of your life, and make sure you should have that internal check, because you may not have an external checkpoint, external ecosystem always around you, but one thing which you will have is always an internal ecosystem which you should have it. So for now that's all, and if you have liked this video, please please do share your comments, and I would love to see if something is working out for you by watching this video. So thank you, bye bye, take care.